Hey guys, what's up? Hi. So finally we're here. It's April 1st and you're seeing this video. The first episode for Back to Basics segment on understanding finance for beginners, for people who have no idea how to invest. Okay, this is from scratch, from zero. Okay, the first episode I would like to put everyone's attention to is an episode called Understanding Yourself. Before investing, okay, first you need to understand a little bit about yourself, why you in this game, why you're even doing investing, what is the idea for this investing that you're doing and stuff like that, right? Now, first I need you to unlearn everything and start relearning from scratch, okay? Unlearn everything because you're seeing a lot of news, you're seeing a lot of hype and stuff like that. I want you to remove all that noise and throw it aside, okay? Let's start from the very beginning, okay? You are here because you want to invest. Okay, you are here because you want to save money. You are here because you want to make money in the long term. Okay, if you are here to make money in the short term, which a lot of people want to do as well, quick money they call this, right? Then I don't think this is the right place for you. I'm going to teach you how to make long term wealth creation over a period of 35 years or over a period of 20-25 years, whereas you can stay beautifully secure by the time you're retiring. Okay, that is what I'm going to teach you in this whole series of Back to Basics. Today's episode 1, but slowly I will teach you how to start investing with a plan. Okay, now the most important thing here is that you need to understand what are you in this game for? What are you planning to do this for? Who are you planning to do this for? Are you planning it for something or are you just simply want to save, right? So a lot of people have this question that, you know what, I don't know how to save, I just want to save, okay? That's one. I like such questions. But then there are a lot of people who say, Shashank, I don't know how to save money, but I want to earn money. Okay, I want to invest in the market, teach me how to earn money, teach me how to make money. That is a wrong approach. I'll tell you why. You are making enough money from your day job. Whatever your day job is, you're making enough money from your day job. The stock market is not your day job unless you make it your day job, right? It is a place where you can invest and grow your money and start making money. If you come with the notion that I'm going to understand the stock market so I can start earning quickly, okay, that is a very wrong notion. That's why I said you need to start understanding yourself. So a lot of people have been seeing that in the recent past, we've been seeing IPOs coming out, right? And IPO is like a big thing happening right now. Every IPO, people are just investing. Why? Okay. Most of the people are investing in an IPO because it comes on listing day. It actually gets listed and it goes up by 100% and everyone thinks they can make a quick buck out of it, right? And what is that quick buck that you make? It's around 15,000 rupees. Right? But for so much tension and headache, and in the off chance that it does not go your way, a lot of IPOs have come out that have actually crashed, right? So why take so much headache or tension into trying to get this quick 15-20,000 rupees when you can actually be making lakhs and lakhs in the future without actually focusing on all these small things? And these are risky plays. These are not safe, secure plays, right? So the first thing I want you to guys to completely forget on this is you are not here to make that quick money. Number one, you're not here to make quick money. You're here to make a long-term wealth creation game. Now, I'm going to teach you in this whole series of Back to Basics different ways to do that, different strategies that you need to adopt. Half of you might know the strategies. You can skip the video. Half of you all don't know it. I think you should definitely understand it. Now, before you even invest 1 rupee in the stock market, there are a lot of things you need to learn. Right? It's not like I just make a demat account and I start investing today. That's not how it works. You need to learn a lot of things. You need to learn a lot of strategies. First, understand yourself. That's why I keep saying first understand yourself. I know a lot of my people, a lot of my friends, a lot of my followers also message me and say, I'm in dire need of money. How do I make quick money off the stock market? Sorry, this is not a gambling den. Okay, the stock market is not a place where you come and gamble, right? You want to do that, go to a casino and just put on something or play blackjack. You are making money from your day job. You are investing at a good measure because you're a financially disciplined person and you're trying to create long-term wealth creation. So you're investing it in something. Okay, something, we will come to what those something is. And then slowly over time, you want to build your wealth. If you're coming here and saying, Shashank, I want to make quick money, that is not the game here at all. Now, you might have different objectives. You might have different goals when it comes to this. When you understand yourself, right? Why are you saving? That's the biggest question. And I want to ask you guys, why are you saving? Right? I know why I'm saving. So for me, I'm saving because I like savings, right? Because it gives me mental secure stability, right? Basically, it keeps my mental state in a very balanced mode. That is the only reason I save. It is not because I want a vacation. It is not because, etc., etc. Emergency fund that I keep talking about. All that comes under a part of saving. The main reason I like to save is that I have mental peace. Okay, because I know for a fact something happens tomorrow. I know life is not going to be a beautiful upward curve where everything is hunky dory in life. No, that's not going to happen. You know, everyone goes through ups and downs, including you, right? But when I go down in life, whenever I go down in life, which I know will happen, I'm not even scared about it, right? If I ever go down in life, I should always have a backup ready, right? When you're good times, you start saving crazy, so that in the bad times, those savings that you did will actually float you and help you out, right? So you should ask yourself this question: why am I saving? Right? For me, it's mental state. I just want to be chilled. Okay, if I don't have savings, I'm scared. If I have savings, I'm relaxed. Okay, and I'll enjoy with that, no issues. But then there are a lot of people who might have different objectives. That is also completely fine. For example, I want to save, for my parents, or I want to save so that I can get my sister married when the time is ready, or I just want to save so that I can buy a house in the future. Simple stuff. I want to buy a car in the future. Simple stuff, right? That's also fine. But understand first, before you even enter this game, why you're saving, right? All the people who want quick money have no idea why they're making that quick money. And I'll tell you what they do with that quick money, right? Without an idea of why I'm saving, without understanding what you're saving for, you come into the stock market, you take risky plays, you start investing in stupid instruments, stupid stocks without any research, trying to make that one quick, 5,000, 10,000 rupees, and then you show off to 10 friends saying, you know what, I made 10,000 rupees, and then you will go blow that 10,000 rupees, enjoy that money, but on a long-term play, over 365 days, you'll end up losing more than you actually make, right? And a lot of people do this, right? They try doing an IPO game. They try doing penny stocks games, right? A lot of penny stocks in the market, 1 rupee stock, 2 rupee stocks, they'll try investing. Now, a person who's very clear about their long-term saving strategy will not get into this. If I know, no, I have to build my wealth because I'm very serious that I need to do this. I need to achieve this 10 lakh target. I need to achieve 1 crore by the age of 30. If that is your target, then, your track of mind is completely different. Right? You can make a simple target, whatever your age is. If you're 20, if you're 18 and you're starting off, and you say, boss, I'm 18 years old right now. I want to make at least 1 crore by the age of 40, or maybe 10 lakhs by the age of 30. In 10 years, I want to have 10 lakhs. Very easy. Go open a calculator online, a compounding interest calculator, or just a simple interest, normal calculator, and find out how much do you need to save every month so that you can make 10 lakhs in the future without any growth rate, nothing, no formula, nothing, right? Just take 10 lakhs divided by 10 years, you just divide it by 120 months and you should get an average number. Just do it simple math like that. And you'll be like, okay, this is what I need to save over time and I want to reach 10 lakhs. If you have that kind of a goal, you'll think 10 times before doing something stupid, right? So that's why I said first, understanding yourself, what do you want to do with this money? Why are you investing this money? And by the way, don't forget, this is your hard-earned money, right? That you have worked day in, day out, 9 hours, 10 hours, 11 hours, 12 hours that you're working. Or you have not worked, you've saved. Even if you have not worked, someone has worked for that money. Even if it's your dad and mom's money, right? You're still spending it or you're still saving it. That's a good sign. But don't throw it away, right? Don't do stupid, risky bets when there are smarter bets out there. Be smart, play the game, be smart. Don't invest in something stupid. And it's someone else's money that they worked hard for. If it's your money, it's your money. Don't be stupid about it, right? So first, I want all of you all, before we even get into any segment in this entire series of videos, I want you guys to answer this question for yourself. Okay, why are you saving? What is your goal for saving? Is there a reason for you to save, right? I know it's good to save. I keep saying it's good to save, but I want to ask you guys, why are you saving? Right? And you can answer it in the comments below. I'll read it. I'll have a look at it. Okay, because I'm going to plan that I'm going to start coming live as well on YouTube to interact with you guys, so that I make this process for all the new beginners, for all the new people to start investing smoothly without any headache. Now, second biggest problem here when you understand yourself is that you should not be scared. Okay, let me make you understand one more principle of life. Okay, when you're investing in the stock market, do not get scared. It is not a place for people who get scared. If you get scared, you panic, you're out, you lose, right? You cannot be emotional when it comes to the stock market. These are basic principles you need to understand before you even open a demat account, okay? So you need to be unemotional when it comes to the stock market. You need to be very logical and you need to find out what companies are good and what companies are bad, okay? I'm being very straight up here, okay? No fluff, no drama, just straight up knowledge I'm giving you, okay? Now, why do I say this, right? For example, if I have found a damn good company, which I feel for the next few years will do really well in the future, right? And I invested it today, I put maybe 10,000 rupees today, and straight away it fell down by 20% because of some other reason, not because the fundamentals of the company were gone, but it just fell 20% today, right? What would normal people do? What would you do at that situation? One, you would ask the person who told you to invest first. If someone told you to buy this stock, you'll be like, dude, what is this? You told me it fell by 20%. Oh my God. Oh shit. That's number one. That's the number one thing you would do. Second thing, you would be like, dude, should I just sell it? Right? What's the point? What if it goes down from 20 to 25%? I'll lose 5 more percent. Oh my God, I'm going to lose a lot of money. Right? That is the fear. And you sell it off. And you sell it off, and this might have happened to you in the past. After you sell it, it goes up immediately, and you're like, shit, I should have just held on to it. Why did I panic at that point? 1 year later, you see that same stock, you would have seen that it's 2 times more than what it was at that point. And you'll be like, oh my God, you know what? I had this stock at that point of time. So was that 3-4 days of panic so necessary, so important, right? That in the long picture of 2 years, you would have actually made much more money if you just kept quiet and relaxed. Right? This is the biggest learning that I have learned, okay, which I keep telling everyone, that when there are spikes in the market, when the market goes down, first change your psychology that when the market goes down and when it is in red, it does not mean you are in a bad state. I am saying that when the market goes down, and it actually goes down by a lot also, you should be very, very, very happy. In fact, be happy when the market goes up because your money is going up. But when the market goes down, you should be even more happy. That's what I would say. Why would I say be even more happy when the market goes down? Because if you have identified good stocks, and if you take out any news, okay, or go to Google and just type Sensex, go to Google and type Nifty, check the maximum chart throughout history, throughout time, right? You guys would have seen Scam 1992 movie. At that point, Sensex was at 2,000 rupees. Now it reached 50,000, came around to 48. Right? Now it's going down from 50 to 48. Now everyone's like, oh my God, market is correcting. It's so bad. My portfolio is dropped from what to what. No, I want you to stop thinking that way. Understand? Okay? Market always goes up. What goes up must come down. What comes down must go up eventually. Okay? Market will always go up. Eventually there will be a point in our lives where the market will reach 1 lakh. Currently it reached 50. It will reach another milestone of 1 lakh very soon, very fast. So when you know market is going to go up eventually, when I know market is going to go up eventually, so why are you taking tension in the short term? So guys, please understand what I've told you in this video, okay? The first thing is that you need to understand why you're in this game, why are you planning to save, what is your goal, and second thing, if we start this journey together, me and you are going to do this journey entirely together. The second thing, I don't want you to be scared in the stock market. That is the biggest problem. If you're scared, you will make stupid decisions, you will make rash decisions, and you will exit prematurely, and that will have a big impact in your life, okay? So I'm not saying trust me. In fact, you should not trust anyone. You should only trust yourself when it comes to investment decisions. But all I'm saying is first answer this question to yourself before we come to the next episode. First, understand why are you in this game? What are you doing it for? Number one. And number two, okay, do not be scared. In this entire journey, don't be scared. And we will see why we should not be scared. I'm never scared. Okay, so whenever the market goes down, be happy. When the market goes down, when it goes up, you should even be happy at that point. When it goes down, be more happy. Okay, so again, I hope you guys liked this episode. This was just the first introduction because before you start investing in the stock market, and I said this is back to basics from zero. Before you start investing in the stock market, there's a lot of mind hacks that you need to play before you become an investor itself. Okay, so don't worry, I'm going to help you with all of that before you even buy your first stock. Okay, so what we're going to do is every Thursday and every Saturday, we're going to premiere the videos. I'm going to put 2 videos a week, okay, depending on how it goes, maybe more later. But today was the first episode and I hope you liked it. If you liked it, subscribe, share. I have this goal, okay, the goal is that within 1 year, I want to hit 100K subs. I know how number doesn't matter, but it's just a personal goal. Like as you said, why are you doing this? I'm doing this to see if I can hit a milestone of 100K. It's a small milestone, but I'm going to keep it at that point, okay? So again, like, share. I don't like talking about telling like, share and stuff like that. I think you should do it by yourself and subscribe it if you want to. But this is something that we will do a journey together, and if you have any more video suggestions, I'm happy to listen to them. I will make more videos on that, but leave your video suggestions below saying, Shashank, I want you to do this, Shashank, I want you to talk about that. I'll make a note and I'll structure it in this entire flow of back to basics. Okay, so I hope you guys liked it. The next episode is going to come out on Saturday at the same time, so stay tuned and see you guys. Signing off. Bye.